Hi, hi, hi. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hello, hi, good morning. No one is saying anything. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Tanuj Kumar has already said good morning. Guru, good morning. Sudeshna, good morning. Sandeep Nayak, good morning. Tanuj Kumar again, good morning. Hira Mahi, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah. Hi, good morning, Yogi Vardhan, good morning. Bharat, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Bagunara, everyone Manchi at home. Everyone Manchi at home. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, Bagunnara, everyone Manchi at home. Okay, Shirsha, good morning. Dheeraj Reddy, good morning. Twinkle, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, Bagunnara, everyone Manchi at home. कुछ बोल दो भाई. Everyone Manchi at home. Everyone Manchi at home. Yeah, very good, very good, very good. So what's going on at home? क्या हो रहा है घर पे? What's going on? Chilling or studying? What's going on at home? Since you are at home, so what's going on at home? CWS, yeah, no problem, no problem. We are not normal people, sir. We are UPL people. We are ultra pro legends, so that's why we are also chilling. Life is all about chilling. But till NEET 2027, we will chill by only one method, that is chilling with studying. That's why we are doing CWS, chilling with studying. No problem, yeah. Because we know our target for us for coming 9 months. Study is not burden, sir. Study is also a part of chilling. So that's why we are chilling with studying. No problem, no problem. Yeah, okay, 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 yeah. So shall we start with the class? Shuru kar de bhai. Shall we start with the class? And I think in last class we were talking about rules of integration. First four rules of integration we have done. That is integration of x to the power n will come x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Constant c integration will come cx. If you integrate with respect to x, if you integrate with respect to y, it will come cy. If you integrate with respect to z, it will come cz. No problem. Okay. Then third rule was saying if constant c is multiplied with the variable, then again constant c will not participate. Cx to the power n integration will come c x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Then at the end we did not practice question where we were talking about if many functions are added, then how to integrate the entire function. For that again I told you we have to use one by one. First we have to integrate u, then we have to integrate v, then we have to integrate w. Is it okay, bhai? Up to four rules of integration, everything is okay? Because now I will give you some question for practice from fourth rule. And this fourth rule will combine all the rules. So fourth rule will combine all the three rules that we have studied. So let's do some question. Let's do some question. I told in the next class we'll practice some questions from there. So you can write, no problem. We can do some question. You can write. Find the integral of given functions. Find the integral of given functions. Find the integral of given functions. So using our rule number 1, 2, 3, you have to do these questions. No problem. Yeah. Okay, okay, okay. So 3 questions I have given. Ria Twinkle has given answer for first one. Ria, your answer is 100% correct. Very good. Tanuj Kumar also given answer for first one. No problem. Very good. Ria and Tanuj have given answer for first one. Remaining also you have to give the answer. Minato has also given answer for first one. Hiramai also given answer for first one. Hiramai you have given. Second one given. Okay, answer for second one given. Hiramani has given answer for first one. It will not be 4, it will be 4x Hiramai. Ria Twinkle has given answer for second one also. Very good. Shudeshna has given answer for first one, second one, third one is still not given. Okay. Tanuj Kumar has given answer for second one also. Very good. Dheeraj has given answer for first one. Yogi Bardhan has given answer for all 3. Very good, Yogi. All 3 answers given. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Minato given answer for second one. Very good. Ria Twinkle also given answer for third one. So some people have completed all the 3. Some people are still in first and second. Minato Jumuki is saying done, sir. Okay, no problem. Typing is little tough. I can feel that. Yeah. But what we can do? Bhaskar Gopi Shetty has given answer for first one. Okay. Take your time. We are not in a hurry. Now Tanuj Kumar has finally given answer for third one also. No problem. Yeah. So I think everyone is getting. So let's check. At the end, I will ask you how many of you got all correct. I am finding that all are saying correct answer only. No problem. Yeah. Maybe some typing mistake is happening while giving the answer. Bhaskar Gopi Shetty. Okay. No problem. Given answer for second one. No problem. Yeah. So I will check. I will ask at the end how many of you got all 4 correct. And these are the actual integrations which are used in physics. In different chapter, these integrations will be used. Yeah. So Bhaskar has also given answer for third one. So let's check. No problem. No problem. Yeah. Again, if you check, sir, 3x square is one function, 2x is one function, 4 is one function. That means when I will integrate them, I have to follow one by one integration. First, we have to integrate 3x square, then we have to integrate 2x, then we have to integrate 4. They are added, I will get my answer. So this is the meaning of rule number 4, one by one integration. Hiramai also given all 3 answers. Very good, no problem. Yeah. So first we will integrate 3x square, then we will integrate 2x, then we will integrate 4. So when you integrate 3x square, 3 will not participate. X square integration will become x to the power n plus 1, 3 plus 1 by x to the power n plus 1. So 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. That will be 3 plus. When you integrate 2x, 2 will not participate. X integration will become x square by 2 because x means x to the power 1. So x to the power 1 integration will become x to the power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. So x to the power 2 by 2. And I already told you 4 integration with respect to x will become 4x. So from here this will get cancelled and we will get our final answer x cube plus x square plus 4x, which I feel everyone has got the correct answer. No problem. Yeah. Okay. So first one, everyone has got the answer. Nothing to worry. Let's move towards the second question. Second question, again, one by one integration. So x to the power 4 integration will become x to the power 5 by 5. x to the power 3 integration will become x to the power 4 by 4. X square integration will become x to the power 3 by 3. And 1 integration will become 1x. 1 integration, this is what I told you. C integration will become cx when you integrate with respect to x. So 1 integration will become 1x, which we can write simply as x. Which we can write simply as x. So this is the answer for second one. For third one also, I think everyone will get. There should not be any problem. But third one we cannot integrate directly. Third one we cannot integrate directly. First we have to bring them in numerator. So first I will arrange it. I will write this as 1 by x square we can write as x to the power minus 2 plus 1 by x cube we will write as x to the power minus 3 dx. Now we will integrate. So now integration will become x to the power minus 2 integration will become x to the power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. And x to the power minus 3 integration will become x to the power minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1. That means this will become x to the power minus 1 by minus 1. And this will become x to the power minus 3 plus 1 means minus 2. By minus 3 plus 1 means minus 2. We can arrange it, but this is the answer that we will get. No problem, no problem. Yeah. How many of you got all three answers? How many of you got all three correct? Yogi Vardhan got, very good Yogi. Morning doing integration is not easy. Ria Twinkle, very good. Tanuj Kumar, very good. Minato Jumuki, very good. Vaskar got. Sudeshna got. Hiramai got, very good. What is that? Gajraj, what is that? Okay, no problem. Sheikh Rahman, all correct, बहुत बढ़िया. गौरी, all correct, बहुत बढ़िया. चलो एक और फाइनल इंटीग्रेशन करके दिखा दो भाई. नो प्रॉब्लम यार. ओके. And चलो दो और इंटीग्रेशन कर दो. हाँ, मॉड्यूल ऑल करेक्ट, नो प्रॉब्लम. सुनीता गॉट ऑल करेक्ट, बहुत बढ़िया. चलो ये दो लास्ट क्वेश्चंस कर दो भाई. Then we'll move towards other rules of integration. So I think you will be able to do, no problem, because you already know how to use under root. Yeah, Munato Jumuki has already given the answer. First one answer given already, correct, no problem, very good. Twinkle has also given answer for first one, very good. Tanuj Kumar also very good. Sudeshna has also given answer for first one, very good. Second one, I feel some people will do mistake. जल्दी से कर दो. Then we will talk about remaining rules of integration. Minato Jumuki is saying, sir, typing is tough. Yeah, we already know. T. Tough to type. Yogi Vardhan has said all answers. Both answers correct also. Very good, Yogi Vardhan. Bhaskar also, first one correct. Sudeshna, first one correct. Ria Twinkle, second one. Half answer typed. So I feel everyone will get. There should not be any problem. So just okay. Typing is tough. I will just write the answer. Then you can check whether you have got the same answer or not. If you have not got same answer, then you can also realize where you have done mistake. तो एक बार देख लेते, no problem. Not a tough situation, easy only. But sometimes people feel difficult. Yeah. So first thing, this is what I'm saying you directly you cannot integrate under root. There is no formula for differentiation of under root. There is no formula for integration of under root because under root represent power. So that's why we will arrange it. So we'll write this as this will become integration of root x means x to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 by root x means again power 1 by 2 dx. Again we cannot integrate it because this is in denominator. So we have to bring it in numerator. So this will become x to the power 1 by 2 plus x to the power minus 1 by 2. Now we have brought all of them in numerator. Now we can integrate one by one integration. First we'll integrate this, then we will integrate this. Now let's start integrating this. So this integration will become x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus this integration will also same formula x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Now we have to simplify it. So this will become x to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 will give you 1 by 2 plus 1 will give you 3 by 2. And here also same thing will come 1 by 2 plus 1 will give you 3 by 2 plus. Here it will become x to the power 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 will give you 1 by 2. Same thing will happen here. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 will give you 1 by 2. No problem. Morning doing these calculations are tough, but we have to do. No problem. Yeah. So this will ultimately become x to the power 3 by 2. And this 3 by 2, this 2 you can bring here. So this will become 2 by 3 plus. Here also 1 by 2, this 2 will come in numerator. So this will become 2x to the power 1 by 2 by 1. No need to write by 1. How many of you got this answer for first one? First one, how many of you got this answer? Ria Twinkle got, Minato Jumuki got, Shuharshita coming late but still saying got, Sheikh Rahman got, Sudeshna got, Speedy got, Bhaskar got, Meduleti got, Ritesh got, Tanuj got, Nikhil got, Yogi Vardhan. Yeah, calculation mistake you have to avoid now. Last year most of you have suffered due to calculation mistake only. So you have to avoid those calculation mistake now. Gauri very good, Balaji very good, no problem. So everyone will get. So make your calculation very simple. Why we don't do any calculation mistake? Because we don't keep any complication. Wherever I feel calculation is going to be tough, I don't skip the step. When we know calculation is easy, we can skip the step. But once I feel here, I started feeling under root their power 1 by 2, so I can do calculation mistake. That's why I have not skipped any step. So whenever you feel calculation is going to be lengthy, then don't skip the steps, because steps will make your calculation perfect. So that is one thing which you have to follow. No problem. Yeah. So this is answer which everyone has got. No problem. Let's move to the second question. Now, how to do the second question? Anyone can give me idea how you have done? Second one. Any idea you can give how you have done? Second one, any idea from your side? कुछ आइडिया दे दो, जल्दी दो भाई. Other rules of integration also we have to do. First we have to break it. Directly you cannot integrate. We know integration of x to the power n. This is not x to the power n. This is x plus 1 by x to the power n. So that's why we cannot integrate it directly. So first we have to break it, and for breaking it we will use a plus b whole square. Now most common mistake, students, so this is a, we will take this as a, this as b, and so this will become a plus b whole square. We studied in class 9, 10, 6, 7, 9, 10, a plus b whole square formula. That is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Very common mistake, many students think. We have seen in the classes, in offline classes. Many students feel a plus b whole square will be a square plus b square. LKG नहीं है भाई. A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So first I will expand it using a plus b whole square. Once I have expanded it using a plus b whole square, now I will put the value of a. A is our x. So this will become x square. b is 1 by x. b is 1 by x. So b square will become 1 by x square plus 2ab. 2ab. A is again x. B is again 1 by x. So this x will get cancelled. So now we have expanded it. That means actual integration which they have asked us is to integrate this function. And our function is now x square plus 1 by x square we can write as x to the power minus 2. No problem. 1 by x square we can write as, because we have to bring in numerator. And this will be our 2. With respect to x, we have to integrate. Now we can directly use 1 by 1 integration. So x square integration will become x cube by 3 plus x to the power minus 2 integration will become x to the power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. And 2 integration with respect to x will become 2x. Then we can simplify it. We will get the answer. Is it okay, bhai? You see, Shu Harshita has written wrong answer. 2 she has not used because she is filling a plus b whole square is a square plus b square. That's why I have given the question. A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. These 2 people generally forget. Only Shu Harshita is now retracing her message. Yeah. Not only Shu Harshita, many people do such mistake. So you have to be very careful. No problem. Yeah. Okay, how many of you got answer for the second one also? Complete answer without any problem. Bhaskar got, Yogi got, Ria Twinkle got, Modulity got, Sudeshna got, Nikhil always gets like this, no problem. So this is how we have talked about up to 4 rules of integration. We have completed first 4 rules of integration. Hiramai also got with the help of these examples. We have completed up to 4 rules of integration. Now remaining rules again are the value. The way after 4 rules in differentiation, we have some values of differentiation. In the similar manner, again, we will have some values of integration. So directly we can write. Now you can write like this, no problem. Yeah, okay. Now you can write like this. Rule number 5, 6, 7, 8. These rules are simply values, so directly we will study them. We will remember those integration and we will use them whenever it will be used in the question. Rule number 5, 6, 7, 8 are simply values. So let's check again. It will deal with trigonometric function, trigonometric ratio, and it will deal with exponential, it will deal with log function. तो एक बार देख लो, no problem. Yeah, easy only, nothing to worry. Yeah, okay, no problem. Yeah. So till now, whatever the integration we did integration for algebraic function. Now we will involve trigonometric function. We also involve exponential function. We also involve log function. तो एक बार देख लो, no problem. Yeah, okay. Yeah. So rule number 5 says, if someone comes to you and he said, I am giving you one function y, and that y is sine x, sine function, trigonometric ratio. Someone came and he said, I am giving you one function y, and this y is sine x, and he asked me to integrate y with respect to x. That means he asked me to integrate sine x with respect to x. So can you tell me what is integration of sine x? What is integration of sine x? Here reverse will happen. Therefore, cos differentiation minus was coming. Here for sine integration minus will come. So sine x integration will come minus cos x plus c. In physics, this c value will be 0. No problem. Yeah. So better we can remember, no problem. Sin x integration will come minus cos x. Sin x integration will come minus cos x. Yeah. Similarly, so you have to keep in your mind, you have to be very sure, otherwise this mistake is a very common mistake. In differentiation, cos differentiation is minus sign. So minus sign integration will be cos, because both are reverse process of each other. Minus sign integration will be cos, but you are integrating sign. So that's why integration will come minus cos. So sin x integration will be minus cos x. Next one, y equal to cos x, and someone came and he said integrate this y with respect to x. Means he has asked me to integrate cos x. So can you tell me what is integration of cos x? Sin x integration is minus cos x. Cos x integration will be now plus. In differentiation, cos differentiation was negative. In integration, sin integration will be negative. But cos x, yeah. So cos x integration will become sin x. Cos x integration will become sin x. Sin x integration will be minus cos x. Cos x integration will be sin x. So you have to be very careful, no problem. Yeah. Okay. Then seventh one. If you remember, I was saying you x to the power n. In the last class only I was talking about x to the power n formula is always applicable except for n equal to minus 1. N equal to minus 1 means 1 by x. So 1 by x you cannot use 1 by, for using 1 by x for finding integration of 1 by x. You cannot use x to the power n formula. Then what you will use? Log. So that's why we say if someone comes and says, I am giving you y equal to 1 by x, and he asked me to integrate y with respect to x. That means he asked me to integrate 1 by x with respect to x. So 1 by x integration will come ln x. Ln x. Because if you remember, ln x differentiation was 1 by x. So 1 by x integration should be ln x. Both are reverse process of each other. Hello, कुछ याद है? ln x का differentiation, when you differentiate ln x, 1 by x will come. That means if you integrate 1 by x, again you should get ln x. So that's why 1 by x integration will be ln x. The last function will be our most coolest function, y equal to e to the power x. Y equal to e to the power x, exponential function. And if anyone asks you to integrate this y with respect to x, means he asks you to integrate e to the power x with respect to x. Can you tell me what answer will come? Log x also you can say, no problem. E to the power x, it's a unique function. It do not matter whether you integrate, differentiate, it remains same. So e to the power x integration will remain as e to the power x. No change will happen. A unique function. So these are the 4 rules, means 4 values. Remaining not required. Remaining in physics we don't require. Someone says that tan you did not say it, cot you did not require. I'm not here for MPC student. Whatever we require in physics, those integration we are talking. So once you can check these 4 rules of integration, if everything is okay, you can say done, sir. If everything is okay, you can say done, sir. Shudeshna already said, Naidu already said. So be careful about that sine and cos. The sine and cos confuses the student. In differentiation, cos differentiation, reverse will happen. In differentiation, cos differentiation will be negative. In integration, sine integration will be negative. So this is the place where you have to be extra careful. This is the place where you have to be extra careful. Once I will say done, sir, everyone will start saying done, sir. That means we can practice some question. Come on. You write. Integrate following. Just for practice. Integrate following. Integrate following. Chalo, okay, बहुत बढ़िया. Integrate following with respect to x. Integrate following with respect to x. Integrate following with respect to x. 2 question we will take one time. So you have to integrate both of them with respect to x. You have to find integral y dx. Integral y dx. And you can tell the answer. Ria Twinkle has given correct answer. Very good. Ria Twinkle given answer for first one. Project 1 given both answers. Very good. Yogi Bardhan given both answers. Very good. Minatajumuki first answer. Tanuj Kumar first answer given. Correct. No problem. Ria Twinkle has given second answer also. Bhaskar Gopi Shetty first answer given. Correct. No problem. Once you remember the rules, values, everything will become easy. Bhaskar Gopi Shetty correct. बहुत बढ़िया. Tanuj Kumar very good. Everyone is giving second answer also now. Shu Harshita first answer till now given. Very good. Sudeshna both answer given. Minato Jamuki second answer given. Pooja given second answer also. I feel everyone will get. Nothing to worry. One by one integration. First I will integrate x. So now you are fast. You can do directly also. No need to write entire step. We can, if we calculation easy, no need to write entire step. So we will integrate one by one. So first we'll integrate x. So x integration will become x square by 2 plus 1 by x integration. Now don't start using x to the power n formula, because x to the power n formula don't work for 1 by x. So that's why we study separately integration of 1 by x. 1 by x integration will come, sir, ln x plus c. If you wish, you can put plus c. If you don't wish, you can also ignore it. No problem. Yeah. Okay. So this is the answer for first one. Second one, when I will integrate again, sir, 1 by 1 integration. Again, I will integrate 1 by 1. So first I will integrate sin x. Sin x integration we already know, sir. Minus cos x plus cos x integration we already know, sir. Sin x. So this is the answer for second one. This is the answer for first one. How many of you got both answers correct? Twarga bhai, jaldi se bata lo. Jaldi se bata do. Sheikh Rahman got, Sudeshna, Yogi Vardhan, Bhaskar, Project 1, Twinkle, Tanuj Kumar, Nikhil, always as usual, Nikhil. Twarga. Hiramai got. Naina got, Shuharshita got. So I think everyone is getting, no problem. Speedy got, Seren Race Car got, Gauri got, Sana got, no problem. Yeah, so this is how we can talk about all these type of situations. No problem. एक और question कर लो भाई. चलो एक और question, final question. Balaji got. Actually, with the help of this question, I tried to teach you all the rules. Whatever the rules we have studied till now, all rules we are covering. Yeah, Nana, same syllabus is going in offline. No change. So using this question, I have used all the formula, I have revised all the formula, all the rules that we have done till now, no problem. So everyone will get, nothing to worry, nothing to do, directly we will get, yeah. So first we have to integrate e to the power x, it will remain as e to the power x. 1 by x will remain as ln x. Sin x integration will become minus cos x, plus cos x integration will become sin x. X to the power n integration will become x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. 3 integration will become 3x. So all the rules that we have studied till now, all the formula which we have studied till now, we covered in this question. Just to revise all the formula, I covered this question. So everyone is getting correct answer also, no problem. I'm giving you time of 2 seconds. Once you can check. Once you can check all the rules of integration, then we'll move further. Once you can check all the rules of integration. Then one last concept we will talk here, which is used in some of the chapters. Okay, Nikhil. Once you can check all the rules of integration, if everything is okay, you can say done, sir. Ria Twinkle already said done, sir. Opika Ledu, sir. Hunger is there. Hunger to become doctor. Let's check where, yeah, I think test will be in the app. Yeah, don't worry. Once I will say done, sir, everyone will start saying done, sir. Opika Ledu, no problem. Why to have Opika, sir? We are going to become doctor in the coming NEET exam. For that, we have to work. We have to learn more and more. Why we'll have patience right now? Right now, we are eager to learn more. No problem, no problem. Yeah. Now you can write rule number 10. Final rule of integration. Acha, here we don't have product rule, division rule. All those rules don't exist in integration. In integration, we have these 8 rules and one final rule. One final rule which you will not find in the books. But this final rule is important, which I have made as a rule. So thoda dhyan dena. Why I have made it as a rule? Because it is used in physics. It is used in physics. In so many chapters, this thing is going to be used. So that's why we'll talk about this as separately. Separately, we'll talk about, you can write rule number 9. In the books, you'll not find this rule, but this rule is important. I have made this rule so that we can use this in physics. Somewhere in physics, this will be used. Is it okay? Shall we talk? Your extra focus will be required. So no problem. थोड़ा ध्यान देना. Okay, no problem. Yeah. थोड़ा ध्यान देना. Be careful. Yeah. And I will relate differentiation also, integration also. Both places I will cover up this concept. So थोड़ा ध्यान देना. Be focused. No problem. Yeah. And it is used, and we have seen so many students do mistake when question comes related with rule number 9. And it is used in some of the chapters. So that's why important. एक बार देखना. No problem. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. अच्छा, for example, someone came. थोड़ा ध्यान देना भाई. Focus करो. Put your brain here. Then only you'll get idea what we are going to talk here. तो एक बार देखो. No problem. Yeah. For example, someone came and he has given me y equal to sin x. Someone came and he gave me one function. He said, I'm giving you one function, y equal to sin x. He asked me to find dy by dx. We already know dy by dx, sin x differentiation will come cos x. No problem. Yeah. Self-understanding I'm trying to bring in your brain. Yeah. Someone came and he said, I'm giving you one function sin x, and he asked me to differentiate sin x. So I'll simply say, what big deal, sir? We already know the formula. Sin x differentiation will come cos x. Then the same person said, I'm giving you same sin x. Now integrate this sin x. So for this also we know formula. Answer will come minus cos x. Someone came, he has given me function y, sin x. He asked me to differentiate. I know the rule. Sin x differentiation will come cos x. Then he asked me to integrate sin x. I know the rule. Sin x integration will come minus cos x. Is it okay? Till now, is it okay? Till now, is everything okay? We already know Sin x someone given, he asked me to differentiate, I know cos x. He asked me to integrate, I know minus cos x. Rules we studied, sir. What's big deal you are talking about? We understood all these things, no problem, no problem. Now throw dhyan dena. Okay. Now same person came. Actually that person is good in maths and he is trying to trap you. He's trying to trap you. Now same person came and he said, I given you y equal to sin x, you did it. You got the answer. You remember the rule. Now he did some change. Now he came and he said, I am not giving you y equal to sin x. I am giving you y equal to sin 2x. And he again asked me to differentiate. And he asked me to differentiate. Can you tell me what will be differentiation of sin 2x? Sin x differentiation cos x, but now he has not given me sin x. Now he said I am giving you sin 2x and he asked me to differentiate. Tell me what will come. 2 cos 2x we have done by 2 cos 2x will come, not cos 2x. अबे गधो चेन रूल में बता रखा है कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x will be multiplied. First we will differentiate sin 2x into differentiation of 2x. So answer will come. I told in the last class only in chain rule. In short, you can simply use chain rule like this. Sin x differentiation cos x. So sin 2x differentiation will be also cos 2x into coefficient of x. I told you will first differentiate sin 2x in the similar manner. So sin 2x differentiation will become cos 2x into differentiation of this bracket. Into differentiation of 2x. Differentiation of 2x will give you 2 into 2. Or directly you can say, sir, sin x differentiation cos x. So sin 2x differentiation will be cos 2x into coefficient of 2. So this will give you finally answer as 2 cos 2x. Is it okay, bhai? Chain rule which we studied in the last class. So sin 2x differentiation will become 2 cos 2x. Sin x differentiation will become 2 cos 2x. No problem. Now throw the this we already know, we have done. Now same person said, okay beta, you are able to do differentiation. You have got the answer 2 cos 2x. Now same person came and he said, no, I don't want to differentiate sin x. I want to integrate sin 2x. Can you tell me what answer will come? In integration, what answer will come? In integration, what answer will come? Cos minus cos 2x by 2. थोड़ा ध्यान दो what I am trying to tell. In differentiation, coefficient of x is multiplied. Formula is same. Sin x differentiation cos x. So sin 2x differentiation is also cos 2x into coefficient of x. Into coefficient of x. In integration also your formula will be same. Sin x integration minus cos x. So sin 2x integration will be also minus cos 2x divided by 2. Reverse process. In differentiation we multiply with coefficient of x. In integration we divide with coefficient of x. Both are reverse process of each other. In integration, coefficient of x is multiplied. Coefficient of x is multiplied. We multiply the coefficient. Remaining things will be same. No change in the basic formula. Only difference we have. In integration we divide. In integration, in differentiation, coefficient of x is multiplied. In integration, coefficient of x is divided. And here coefficient of x is multiplied. Coefficient is multiplied. Are you getting idea, bhai? No change will happen in the basic formula. Formula will remain same. Sin का differentiation cos होता है तो cos ही होगा. But cos के साथ coefficient भी multiply करना पड़ेगा. Actually here also you are multiplying with coefficient. Actually here coefficient is 1. So here also you are multiplying into 1. Here also you are dividing by 1. But coefficient is 1. That's why we are not feeling here. That's why we are not filling here. Sir, here you multiplied. Why you did not multiply it there? I have multiplied by sin x differentiation cos x into coefficient of x. What is coefficient of x here? 1 into 1. Sin x integration minus cos x divided by coefficient of x. What is coefficient of x? 1. But this one we don't represent. That's why it don't appear. But it will be 2, then it will appear. Are you getting idea? So basic formula is same. Function will be in the similar manner. Only for differentiation we have to multiply with coefficient of x. For integration we have to divide with coefficient of x. Is it okay, bhai? If you understood this, that means before going to one question, you can check this, no problem. Before going to one question, I will just ask orally. If I give you y equal to cos 10x, tell me dy by dx and tell me integration y dx. दोनों बताओ फटाफट दोनों बता दो. आई एम गिविंग यू cos 10x. अबे डिफरेंशिएशन पहले बता, फिर इंटीग्रेशन बताओ. दोनों बताना है. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू टेल मी dy by dx, then you have to tell me integral. हाँ, so cos x simple brain will work. So cos x differentiation is minus sin x. So cos 10x differentiation will be also minus sin 10x into coefficient of x. That is 10. So here answer will become minus 10 sin 10x. That's it. Nothing else. No more story, no more drama, directly answer. Similarly, sir, cos x integration is sin x. Cos x integration is sin x. So cos 10x integration will be also sin 10x divided by, because coefficient is not 1 now, the coefficient is 10, divided by coefficient of x. What is coefficient of x? 10 divided by 10. Hello. Are you getting idea? And so in differentiation, whenever coefficient is not 1, in differentiation formula will remain same, integration formula will remain same, but in differentiation we have to multiply with coefficient of x. In integration we have to divide with coefficient of x. So I feel everyone is getting idea. For example, एक example और देख लेते हैं. No problem. Now you can do. No problem. Yeah. One more example I can check. No problem. I am giving you y equal to e to the power 10x plus 5. And I want you to find dy by dx also. And I want you to find integration also. Tell me what answer will come for differentiation. That is the answer number 1. What answer will come for integration? Plus 5 do not matter. E to the power x integration, e to the power x differentiation, e to the power x. So e to the power 10x, Ria Twinkle has said correct answer. Means e to the power 10x plus 5 integration will be also e to the power 10x plus 5 into 10 differentiation. And integration divided by 10. Very good. Everyone is giving correct answer. No problem. Yeah. Ria Twinkle correct, Bhaskar correct, Shudeshna correct, Yogi Vardhan correct, Tanuj correct, Hira Mai correct, Project 1 correct, Naidu correct, Seren Race Gamer correct. Simple, no complication, no story, nothing, sir. E to the power x differentiation is e to the power x now. So e to the power 10x plus 5 differentiation will be also e to the power 10x plus 5 into coefficient of x. What is coefficient of x? 10. So into 10. So it will give us finally 10 e to the power 10x plus 5. Similarly, integration you want na sir, e to the power x integration is e to the power x. So e to the power 10x plus 5 integration will also come e to the power 10x plus 5. Here, this is reverse of this. Here you multiply with coefficient of x. Integration is reverse of differentiation. That's why you have to divide with coefficient of x. What is coefficient of x here? 10. So divided by 10. Is it okay? बोल दो भाई, is it okay? जल्दी से बता दो. Chalo, no problem. Everyone has got the idea. Everyone has got the idea. Now I will give you the place where it is used. The place where it is used. No problem. No problem. No problem. Yeah. Okay. This is used mainly in 2 chapters. Okay. बहुत बढ़िया. This is used mainly in 2 chapters. It is used in AC circuit and it is used in oscillation. It is used in AC circuit also. It is used in oscillation also. AC circuit question I will just now tell. I will just talk about that. For example, someone came and he has given you current I equal to I naught sine omega t. Someone give you current I equal to I naught sine omega t. And someone, 2 things they will ask. 2 things will be used. First, you have to tell me di by dt. What will be di by dt? Second, you have to tell me what is integration of this current. These are the 2 values you require. You can find kinematics. This is not used generally, but AC circuit and oscillation will totally depend on this type of differentiation and integration. This is actually you are calculating charge. This is used for capacitor. This is used for inductor. I naught is constant. So I'll simply say when you differentiate, sir, when you differentiate I naught sine omega t with respect to t, so I naught, I will simply say, sir, I naught will not participate. I naught will remain as it is. Sine x differentiation cos x. So sine omega t differentiation will be cos omega t into coefficient of omega t. Into coefficient of t. What is coefficient of t here? Omega. So final answer will become I naught omega cos omega t. Are you getting idea, bhai? Are you getting idea? Everyone is saying correct answer. No problem. Yeah. Okay. No problem. Yeah. Second one, when you integrate, again same concept. Once you integrate, I naught will not participate, sir. Constant multiply, do not participate. Integration of sin x is minus cos x. So sine omega t integration will be minus cos omega t divided by coefficient of t, that is omega. So this will become minus I naught by omega cos omega. All these things I will use in AC circuit. Just now I am giving you idea. Are you getting? Very good. Vaskar, very good. Shuharshita, very good. Yogi Bardhan, Dadu, Dada, Seren, everyone has said correct answer. Nikhil, as usual. Shuharshita, everyone has got. No problem. Yeah. Is it okay? Is it okay, this type of integration? Nothing to worry. Only you have to divide. In integration, you have to divide with coefficient of x or t. In differentiation, you have to multiply with coefficient of x and t. So this is how we can talk about no problem. Yeah. And this is how we have completed this part of integration. I'm giving you time of 2 seconds. एक बार check कर लो भाई. Rule number 9 एक बार check कर लो. Rule number 9 एक बार check कर लो. So keep this point in your mind. When it will be used, again I will tell. Whenever it will be used, in oscillation, Manish sir will teach. There it will be used. There also he will also tell. In AC circuit, I will teach. There also I will tell. So don't worry, just keep in your mind. If everything is okay, you can say done, sir. Minato Jumuki is saying done, sir. Sudeshna is saying done, sir. Ria Twinkle, done, sir. Done. No problem. Yeah. Okay. Done, sir. No problem. Yeah. Okay, Sheikh Rahman, Nikhil as usual, Tanuj Kumar, Seren Race, okay, Padmini, okay, no problem, no problem. Now we'll talk about one final part of integration. एक बार देखो भाई, एक बार देखो, no problem, yeah. And this final part of integration will be used everywhere. Here also it is used, AC circuit everywhere. So थोड़ा ध्यान देना, थोड़ा ध्यान देना. Okay, no problem, yeah. Dushyant very good, Dadu Dada very good. Now थोड़ा focus करो भाई, focus करो, no problem, yeah. Okay. अच्छा, for example, थोड़ा ध्यान देना what I'm trying to tell. Then we will write the name of topic. थोड़ा focus करो, no problem, yeah. Okay. अच्छा, for example, one particle is in motion. One particle is performing some motion. One particle is in motion, means it will have some velocity. थोड़ा ध्यान दो भाई. Be focused what I'm trying to tell. Little knowledge of physics I am using for telling you this situation. For example, someone is saying, one particle is there, that particle is in motion. That particle is moving, that particle is in motion. If means it will have some velocity, it will have some speed. If anyone asks you displacement, if you integrate velocity, you will get displacement. You already know. Because when we differentiate displacement, we get velocity. So when you integrate velocity, you will get displacement. थोड़ा ध्यान देना भाई, थोड़ा ध्यान देना. Be focused what I'm trying to tell. अच्छा, if I ask you how much distance you have covered, if someone comes in front of you, he said, your life started, how many distance you have covered in your life? What you will say? Someone comes to you and says, how much distance you covered in your life? What you will say? How much distance you covered in your life? What you will say? We cannot find that. Don't know. Because from day one we are walking, we are going through Dhyando. So always remember, okay, we cannot tell how much. But if someone asks you how much distance you have traveled from morning till now, you can tell. If I ask you how much distance you have traveled till now, without talking about time, you cannot tell the answer. But if I ask you how much distance you have traveled from morning 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock, you'll be able to tell. 7 o'clock I was on the bed. From bed straight forward I came to study room. This much distance I traveled. Hello bhai. So always remember, whenever integration is used, we always, thoda dhyan de bhai, integration, if you remember last class of integration, I told you integration is method to find, with the help of integration we can find summation of a given function. Summation means you are adding up. If you are adding up, you must know from where to start the addition and where to end the addition. Otherwise, add karo, I ask you add all numbers, what answer will come? But if I say add first 5 natural numbers, you can start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can add. This is known as, so dhyan do. Means integration is used to find summation of the given function. But that summation has meaning only when it is mentioned from where to I have to start adding and where I have to end the adding. This is known as limits of integration. Lower limit represent from where you will start the summation. Upper limit will represent where you will end the summation. You can write limits of integration. Limits of integration. Limits of integration. And I will tell you how to use this limit. Did you got the idea why limit is so important? If anyone asks you find the distance covered, velocity given, then infinite distance will come. So you have to calculate distance traveled in a particular time frame. You have to find change of flux in a particular time frame. Everything has to be calculated in a time frame. So that time frame will be starting, ending. That starting, ending are known as limits of integration. तो एक बार देख लो what is limits of integration and how to use this limits. Limits of integration. Limits of integration. तो एक बार देख लो, नो प्रॉब्लम. आई हैव गिवन यू आइडिया. आई विल टेल यू हाउ टू यूज दिस लिमिट, बिकॉज whenever integration will be used in physics, these limits also you have to substitute, because you have to tell summation करना है, जोड़ना है. If I add a small distance, I will get total distance. But from where I have to start adding and where I have to end adding, that is known as limits of integration. So this is how limits of integration appears. Most of you have seen. No problem. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So people will now you have to do like this. Now you have to do like this. Yeah. For example, someone came and he said, I am giving you y as a function of x. I'm giving you y as a function of x. And he asked me, means y is depending on x. Y is depending on x. And he asked me to integrate. He asked me to integrate this y. He asked me to integrate this y. Integrate y with respect to x. And that means he asked me to integrate y with respect to x, means he is asking integration y dx. Means he is asking me to sum y. That means he is asking me to find summation of y with respect to x. So we already know integration y dx. But now I will say, sir, you want me to add now? Tell me where I should start adding, where I should end adding. If force is acting on a body is making displacement, I know work will be calculated with the help of integration, but we must know from where to where I have to find the work. So in the similar manner, I know, sir, if I integrate, I will get summation, but I must know from where I have to start the summation, where I have to end the summation. So that's why now they will mention limit a to b. This is known as lower limit. This is known as upper limit. This is known as lower limit. And this is known as upper limit. Upper limit represents ending of summation. कहाँ खत्म करना है? Upper limit represent ending. Lower limit represent starting. Is it okay भाई? कुछ आइडिया लग रहा है? अकड़ा लोअर लिमिट रिप्रेजेंट मोदलैंदी, अपर लिमिट रिप्रेजेंट आइपोएंदी. यहां से यहां Sudeshna, you can go from anywhere. You go from 2 seconds to 4 seconds or 4 seconds to 2 seconds, no problem. There's no change. Is it okay, bhai? Achha, this upper limit and lower limit are value of what? They are value of x or value of y? This upper limit and lower limit are value of what? X or y? Value of x. You are integrating with respect to x. X will decide. अरे भाई x decide करेगा कहां से कहां? X will decide. So this upper limit and lower limit are value of x. This upper limit and lower limit are value of x only. That's why after integrating final value, we will put upper limit value, x value as upper limit, again x value as lower limit. These are values of this upper limit and lower limit, starting, ending with respect to what? By with respect to x only. So always remember this upper limit and lower limit, a and b are values of, you have done all this, a and b are values of x only. You are integrating with respect to x, so that's why with respect to x. If you are integrating with respect to time, then these are the value of time. And this is what will happen. This is how we'll do. Now we have y dx. When we'll integrate it, we'll get any new function. We'll get any new function. Yeah. Okay, you are Dr. Tejashwini. Very good. Work hard in your life. Become better doctor. Yeah. Relax in your life. Chill little bit in the college and enjoy your life. No problem. Yeah. Someone sorry to disturb, no problem, nothing to be disturbed. We feel happy with our student, no problem. Work hard, enjoy your life, become best doctor of the India, no problem. Yeah. Now we'll again come back to here. Okay, no problem. Yeah. All the best. Yeah. Now throw one more thing. Yeah. So whenever we integrate, we always integrate in a limit. In a limit means from lower limit to upper limit. Lower limit represent starting, upper limit represent ending. So what are these lower limit and upper limit are value of what? They are value of the quantity with respect to which you are integrating. And once you will integrate, you will get another function na. You will get another function na. थोड़ा सा process देख लो, no problem. Once you integrate y, you will get another function of x. Of course, y was function of x. So after integrating also, you'll get another function. That another will be also function of x. And now we'll put one bracket like this. Lower limit a to b. Now first in place of x we put upper limit. Then in place of x we put lower limit. And we subtract them to get our final answer. You can write like this, no problem. I will explain with the help of example, then you'll get better idea. एक बार देख लो. If it is okay, you can say, I will just tell you with the help of one example. Then only you'll get exact idea. Otherwise, you'll be confused. Dushyant, I will tell. And this is very much used. Always remember, whenever you will do integration in any chapter of physics, without this limits, it will not come. I'll give one example. चलो एक एग्जाम्पल देखो, नो प्रॉब्लम. शैल वी टॉक अबाउट वन एग्जाम्पल? एक एग्जाम्पल बात करें क्या? Then next class we'll practice some more question. One example I will show you. हाँ, एक एग्जाम्पल देखो. For example, yeah. Okay. Now things will come like this. Yeah. Okay. No problem. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Now someone came and he said, I'm just talking about one example just to give you more idea. In next class, we'll practice some question from here. Someone came and he asked me to integrate 3x square from 1 to 2. Now it will come like this. From 1 to 2. I have to find summation of 3x square starting from x equal to 1 to x equal to 2. So you have to follow. Yeah, some people know, so they will give the answer. No problem. Answer will come 7. Very good. No problem. Yeah. So first step, integrate normally. Don't get confused. Only these are values of x, which we have to put at the end. So first integrate in the normal manner. When you integrate 3x square, 3 will not participate. X square integration will become x cube by 3. Now write the limit like this, 1 to 2. 3 cancel. That means it will become x to the power 3, 1 to 2. What is this 1 and 2? This 1 and 2 are values of x. So that's why in place of x first put upper limit. X, this 2 is the value of x. This 1 is also value of x. So first in place of x we put upper limit. Upper limit is 2. So it will become 2 to the power 3. Then in place of x we put lower limit, 1 to the power 3 minus. Upper limit minus lower limit will give us final answer. This will become 8 minus 1. That will come 7. Is it okay, bhai? Is it okay? And now answers will come good. No problem, simple. Same integration you have to use. At the end, they are the value of x only. Upper limit you will put, lower limit you will put, you will subtract them, you will get the answer. For example, since you have understood one question, we can practice, no problem. Tell me how much it will come. Then you can also tell me. First one will come, same, nothing. Sir, limits last. You have to put limits at the last. First, you have to follow your way. Sir, 4x cube integration will become 4x to the power 4 by 4. Representation, lower to starting to ending. 4 cancel. Now, in place of x, we'll put 1 because upper limit is 1. So, in place of x, I'll put 1. So, 1 to the power 4. Then, in place of x, I'll put 0. So 0 to the power 4 minus 1. So then we'll subtract upper limit value and lower limit value. So this will become 1 minus 0. Answer will come 1. Tell me second one. Second one. Cos x 0 to 2 pi. Second one will come 0, normal by. Why you are confused? Sir, cos x integration, first I have to follow my original method of integration which we have done till now. Limits तो बाद में use करना है, पहले basic integration use करो. Sir, cos x integration I know, sin x integration is minus cos x. Cos x integration is sin x. So sin x, limit 0 to 2 pi. These are value of x only. So in place of x, first put 2 pi. This will become sine. In place of x, you have to put 2 pi. So it will become sine 2 pi. Now this is lower limit you will put. Lower limit is also value of x. Then put in place of x lower limit. Sine 0. Subtract them. But I think everyone knows sine 2 pi is also 0. Sine 0 is also 0. Answer will come 0. Very good, Riya Twinkle. Everyone has said answer also, no problem. Yeah. So this is how we have talked about. Some more questions from limit of integration we will talk in our next class. Is it okay, bhai? Any other doubt not related with differentiation, integration? General doubt? General doubt? Any other general doubt? Shuharshita is saying no, sir. Okay, sir. No problem. Only one thing. Nikhil, as usual, being at home, you have to take extra responsibility. Two things are there. Don't be in dilemma. If you want to be online, be permanently online. If you want to be offline, don't take more time at home. Come back. Come to the campus, start studying. Yeah. Because coming also, it's not like that you'll come and you'll start studying. It will take 2-3 days, 4 days to settle in the campus. So very clearly you have to make up your mind what I have to do in my life I should do. I should not be in dilemma. Okay, after 1 month I will check, I will do. No. If any problem is not there and if you feel you want to be offline, come to offline as quick as possible. If you want to be online, remain online. Don't be in dilemma what to do, what not to do. If you are in online, be extra careful. You have more responsibility on yourself to keep yourself away from any distraction, any deviation. In offline, we will be also there too. That's why offline we say better. No problem, but it's your choice. Yeah. So this is how we have talked about. More situations from here we'll talk in our next class. Tata, bye-bye.